In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account in ChatGPT. I'll guide you through the exact path to find the delete option, explain the security requirement you might see, and share a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click it to open the menu. From that menu, select Settings. This opens a panel where you can adjust your preferences and manage your account. Inside Settings, choose the section labeled Account. This is where your core account controls live. Once you're in Account, scroll down until you find the option that says Delete Account. This is the control you're looking for. Before you click it, take a moment to make sure you're working on the correct account and that you truly want to remove it. Deleting an account is typically permanent and can't be undone, so it's worth pausing to confirm you're certain. When you're ready, click Delete Account and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm your decision to prevent accidental removal, which is completely normal. Just proceed as directed on the screen. There's one important security requirement to be aware of. You can only delete your account if you have logged in within the last 10 minutes. This time-based check helps verify that it's really you making the request. If you haven't authenticated recently, you'll be prompted to refresh your session. In that case, simply sign in again. After you've refreshed your login, go back the same way. Click your profile icon in the bottom left, open Settings, choose Account, and scroll down to Delete Account. Once you're within that 10-minute window, the option will work as expected. If the delete button looks unavailable or you see a message about recent login, it almost always means you've just run past that 10-minute window. Re-authenticate and try again, and it should proceed without any issues. That's all there is to it. Profile icon at the bottom left, Settings, Account. Scroll to Delete Account, and make sure you've logged in within the last 10 minutes. Take your time, read any on-screen notes carefully, and confirm only when you're sure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process with confidence.